Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. Today I am back to my beginner sessions, our economical, very simple painting. We're using apple barrel craft paints, value pack canvases from Michaels, pouring medium, which is 50% floetrol, 50% Elmers Glue All, and water to consistency. Today I am imagining that I am participating in my class, a group of people who have never poured before, and I have chosen, out of all the colors to choose, a rainbow pour, and we're doing a simple single flip cup. There's one drop of silicone in each color of the paint, and one drop around the sides and bottom of the cup. And here we have the most beautiful rainbow flip cup. It looks like a tie-dye. So in my own class today, I'm learning to not be too concerned about color theory and depth and what it takes to make an amazing painting, but to choose the colors that are attractive to my spirit. This is an expressive arts painting, not a fine arts painting. Expressive arts express the state of the moment, and you are part of the moment. So here you have it, dried level, not too much paint on the canvas and not too little, layers and cells. It looks like spring. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.